Alright guys, welcome back. So I got this Ford Transit T350 and my door, fluid door break off the other day. So I have to use some zip tie to hold it right here, guys. As you can see, I also do a video when I was doing it. So I'm going to change it. So I ordered this one last night and it come this morning early. Overnight delivery. So I'm going to change this one, guys. It's also come with a white cover for the door. So I'm going to show you guys how to install all those. Now, also I will leave the link in the description where you can get yours, guys. So let's jump into the video. But first let me show you. So you're gonna need this tool. I'm gonna leave the link where you can get one of these tools in there, guys, to remove the cover. And also this is a T25 box, so you can see a T25 to remove the screw right here. So remove a screw here, and you also have some screw behind here. So I'm gonna need this tool to remove this cover. You can see this one already coming off easy. And also I got some clips in case that one wanna go the other ways. So just pop it out just like this, guys. You can see the clips right here that hold it. And you got a screw right here, one right here. So let me pull the screw out. So that should hit it right there. And also this, you're gonna make sure to take this off with a cover. This cover right here. See if this can pull it. There's some clips behind there. So now I get this cover off of those 4 clips. Alright guys, so behind here, that's how it look behind there, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna take this part off now. So there's some clips at the side. I got one right here, one there, one right here as well. So I'll pop all those clips out. See if I can use my hand to get it up. Oh, those clips are so tight. Alright guys, I get it out. Let's going to clean off this area. Get a rag to clean it out. So that's it right there, guys. So hope this video helped you all out there. So if you find this very useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.